Hey guys, father and son coming to you today. As a lot of you know, we do a lot of things. We're not just an RC car channel. It's just about me and the kids having fun, having a good time, me and the family. We got into RC cars about 6 months ago. We used some of the money from YouTube and our eBay links that we put in descriptions. And we bought an RC car and we had a blast with it and everyone loved it. And you know, all it takes is bring out the RC car and all the kids come running outside. We made a mistake though. When we bought an RC car, we bought a Traxxas Bandit, which really didn't suit what we really wanted to do and weren't happy with it. So do your research before you buy an RC car. You know, if you're going to have a lot of grass, get something that'll do good in the grass or in the dirt or the pavement, whatever you're going to do. Make sure that that vehicle is going to suit what you need. And of course, so what we did was we took a Bandit and that's what we did with it. We turned it into a Monster Bandit. We did a video on that. I'll do the description down below so you guys can check that video out. But it got us through, and I was dead set on getting the Revo 2.0, dead set. And actually, you know, I drove one. I actually bought a used Revo 2.0 online, did a video on it. It was not good at all. It had some problems that they didn't tell me about, so I sent it back. Got my money for it, and I was still, you know, I was going to get an Revo 2.0, and I was dead set that's what I was going to get. And then I ran across this channel, Troy Speed RC, and this guy's got a Creighton and I believe another Arrma, and he was so passionate about it. I'm like, you know, I'm going to check these Arrmas out. I'm going to see what they're about and do some research. And I saw another channel that was Rich Duper Bash, I believe it is. Yeah, I mean, he's just running these Creightons and Armma Outcast, and I mean they're not tearing up, and I mean they're doing good. I mean they'll tear up a little bit, but with things he's doing to them, it's amazing. So I'm like, let's do some more research. Let's put the Bandit away and let's reveal what we really decide to get. You know, we want something good in the grass, something to do stunts, and with that Bandit, we did a amazing, I think is the best Traxxas Bandit bashing video ever. I'll put a link down to that too if you guys want to check it out. But you know, we were happy with it, but I wanted something full drive, and we decided to go against the Revo 2.0, and this is what we got. That's right, we got a Notorious, an Arrma Notorious. So today I'm going to unbox this thing for you. Let me look how huge this thing is, man. I mean, it's huge. I'm not going to tell you what color we got until you see I pull it out of the box. I haven't seen one of these in person. I've seen them online, but I'm going to open it up for you today, and we're going to see what she looks like. One of the reasons why I didn't want to get the Revo 2.0 is it really started having some problems with the shocks and the rod ends. People were having to put limiting straps on them, and I really just, I didn't want to get into that. So let's open this Notorious up and see what she's all about. Oh, I think you can see it, can't you? Oh my goodness, man. Of course you get tools, manuals, wow, and extra pinion gear. That was nice. Nicely packaged. This thing is huge. It is amazing. Like I said, anytime I do an unboxing video, I don't open it until I do the video. So it's been killing me to open this thing. Look at the color on that. I mean, that is, the blue is just, it's almost like a anodized blue to me. Wow, I really like it. So let's see what else comes with the package. Okay. Of course, you got your controller. Okay. So what you need, this is a Tactic. I've never felt one of these before either. It's a very nice controller. It feels pretty good in my hand. Feels a little lightweight. Of course, it doesn't have the batteries in it yet. It's got a pretty good feel to it. The steering wheel's got a nice foam wheel to it. So you'll need your 4 batteries and the battery for the RC car or truck. This is a stunt truck, by the way. And a charger if you already don't have one. But it runs off 2 2S batteries or 1 4S or 1 6S battery or 2 3Ss. I got the 2 3Ss and the 2 2Ss. Let's take the top off this thing. Look at that body, man. That's just really, really, it pops. And this has got the real steel to where the paint on the outside, if you crash it, it kind of will show like it's wore and make it look like it's been bashed. Feels very sturdy. So let's take a look at this thing. Look at that. I mean, this thing it's stout. It's heavy. Has a metal plate on the bottom. It's not just plastic. That's one thing I didn't like about the Traxxas is everything on it was plastic. This right here, the shock towers, they're metal. I have never seen a Traxxas with metal shock towers. Something else I like a lot is the battery has Velcro where it holds the battery in here. And you can put different size batteries in there. And here's your clip. If you want to run one battery, you just run it right through there. If you want to run 2, you take that off right there and you hook both your batteries up. I mean, that thing feels solid. I mean, there's metal in this thing, and it blows my mind. I love the way it feels, and a lot of people are like, what's the difference between the Outcast and Notorious? There's really not a difference. From everything I've been told, everything is the same except for the body. So I bought an Outcast body. So now, there we go. So now I have an Outcast and I have a Notorious. And all I had to do is replace the body on it. So if I just want a different look, I just pop that Outcast body on there, and I have an Outcast and Notorious, just for a little bit more. And if you have an Outcast and you want a Notorious body, they have these on eBay now. And I think your hobby dealer can get one. I actually went to my hobby dealer to get a Notorious, and they were supposed to call me when they came in, and they didn't. I went in on that Saturday, said it was online, and it was in stock. They didn't call me. I went in, they said we just sold the last one 2 hours ago. So I went straight to eBay, bought one, and at least I didn't have to pay tax on it. I tried to go to my hobby dealer first, but since that didn't work out, if you don't have a hobby dealer close to you and you want one of these, go to eBay. I mean, you know, I try to support my local hobby shop every chance I get, but if there's something they can't get, I go to eBay, and you don't pay tax on it. That's the wonderful thing about it. But yeah, this thing it's great. I can't wait till the kids see it. I might just film the reaction just to see what the look on their face when they see this thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful RC. And we'll put some batteries in this and we'll run it in the yard and not do anything too crazy yet, but of course we will. Of course, you know that. But we appreciate you guys watching this unboxing. Let's see what the kids think. Now I'm going to show you the RC car. It's the first time you've seen it. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. See if you like it. What do you think?
I love it!
What you think?
It's pretty.
You like it? Think we can jump some stuff with this and do some stunts? Mm-hmm. All right, dude. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Blue.
What do you think?
It's a weird body.
You like it?
Some big tires.
They're huge, aren't they? What do you think? Think we can do some jumps with this thing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Got some spoiler on the back.
Oh yeah, you're loving it, ain't you? You're loving it.
I am dead inside.
Okay guys, this is Austin. He's not in many of our videos anymore because he's a big boy and he goes to college. But let's get his reaction of the new RC.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
You like that?
Yeah, where'd you get this at?
I got that on eBay. That's an Arrma Notorious.
That's pretty sweet. When are we gonna take it out?
We'll take it out now if you want to.
Let's do it.
I'm going to have to learn how to drive with this much power. I'm telling you what. I want to show you guys kind of what the real steel body looked like. I threw it up into some rocks by the pond, and you can kind of see right there where it's kind of got, where it's showing like it's scuffed up a little bit, and right here, and then right here at the top, and just a little bit up top. It comes off a little bit of time every time. It shows your battle scars. So that's pretty cool.